I felt the Christmas magic the minute I stepped into the store. Welcome into Buzzed in Madison. We're back at the Bruce Company, the best time of year around here.
I do love Christmas here.
Well, you live Christmas.
I
you
do live
are
Christmas
Mrs.
here.
Claus.
If I'm not covered in glitter, I'm covered in flocking.
Not only does the Bruce Company have you covered for so many different events to do with your family, to come for ladies' night, for the open house, for meeting Santa and the reindeer, you have it all. Really go to the website for all of these things, right?
Yes, and this weekend is our kickoff for the holiday season. And so we have ladies' night on Thursday, and then the open house continues through Sunday.
I have already done a little Christmas shopping. I have
What
a
do you
pile over in the corner.
And another pile here.
I love this pile. So first, some nice buttery soft lounge pants that you can wear all Christmas season, right?
What else you got in there?
A beautiful, great new hat, because it's just, I mean, feel that.
It is pretty cozy.
It's amazing. You want to elevate your Christmas game right here with this amazing ribbon. Look at this beautiful topper. How beautiful
This is
would
super
that be?
cute, and this is really luxurious.
I mean, what do you have? I'll give you a chance.
I've got two things in here. I have got holiday ribbon candy, so vintage and retro. Even if you don't eat it, putting it in a bowl is so cute.
Okay.
And then I love these Austrian water globes because the snowfall is the best of any water globe ever. Don't you want to just crawl inside
It
and
does.
live in
And
there?
speaking of vintage Christmas, snow globes are the epitome of that.
I think
right?
so too. Yes.
Just Christmas memories.
Crawl in there and live a little Christmas memory.
Or crawl into the Bruce Company and get everything you need to make your holiday season joyful and full of memories. For Lisa, I'm Emmy, and
We're buzzed into Madison.
I need this ribbon.